Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Crafting Minds with a K, and today we are going to be making bracelets, fishtail styled. Let's get this. We're going to be using the colorful rubber bands. I'm using rubber bands from Wonderloom, and I got these from Walmart. You can also get them from Walmart, Target, and any other arts and crafts store near you. We're also going to be using the C-clips to seal our bracelet. And then, since this is a beginner's video, we are going to be using the hooks to hook the rubber bands into our fingers, since we're going to be using our fingers. We're going to be using the green and the red because the holiday season is here. So let's open this. And since we have the big bundle, we have the little packaging. So when we open the packaging, it's a really easy package to open for both of them. And then we are going to just get, we're not going to get a lot because for your bracelet, you always want to try to get it to your vein, because your wrist area, because it's really not that long and it matches. So we're going to get some of that out and let's get started here. So when we have all of our colors out, this is color A and this is color B. I already said that I was going to be using, you know, the two Christmas colors. So you're going to get the wrist that you're going to do it on. And the first color that you're going to take, rubber band, we're going to twist it into an X. And then we're going to put it on your fingers like so. And then you want to get two more colors. I'm doing two colors. So it should be a mixture of colors. So one color, then the next color, then the next color. And then with our clip, always at the bottom, we're going to clip it over on that side. And then sometimes they can be a little hard. So that's why I said we're going to be using the hooks, because things do get complicated. So when you do have it, we're going to clip it over again. So when you do that, we're going to move it down with your other fingers. And then we're going to get the next color. Now, just a little tip. Whatever color is on the bottom of your finger, that color should always be on the top of your finger. And the other color should be in the middle. And then we're just going to do it again. So, like I said, sometimes they can be a little hard to loop over. But when you do grab onto it, you just loop it over. Like these rubber bands, these rubber bands can be a little bit difficult to work with. So sometimes it might be easier just to take your finger and loop it over. So as we continue, you're going to start to notice the mixture of the color, and it's going to start to get long. I mentioned this again, but I'm just going to mention it one more time. You want to stop when it gets to your wrist, because it seems to be that from your top finger to your wrist is actually the size of your wrist. So that's how long we want to make. Okay, so we're just going to continue. Like I said, just going to take our time and, you know, just loop and loop and loop. But while we have this quality time together, we are going to just talk about why I, wanted to do YouTube. Well, I am 10, going on to be 11 next month. So happy birthday to me. And YouTube, I really love YouTube because it's like you can show yourself to the world, not just to make money, because YouTube is not to make money. YouTube is to show yourself. YouTube is to, show your passion and, things like that. So that's why I'm making this video today, because I love, my passion is crafts. I have quite the creator's eye. I'm a perfectionist. I love, making bracelets and things like that. And not just bracelets, all crafts, homemade crafts, DIY, spontaneous things. It's just who I am. So it's really interesting to show who you are to other people. And yeah, it can be unsafe sometimes, but that's not what we should look at. We should look at the positive things, all the time, because yeah. So on a weird note, do you like sushi? I hate sushi. I don't like sushi at all. But yeah. So back to the point of this video. As it gets down here to like the bottom of our little hand, what you're going to do is you're going to want to stretch it, which I will show you, so it can come together to look like a fishtail. Right now, it doesn't really look like much. So we're just going to continue that. So yeah. I definitely think that, you know, this is going to turn out great. So we pull it down, and it should make your bracelet maybe a little bit longer, but that's what we want, because if you weren't going to do that, which it would have stretched anyways, we just wanted to know how long it is. And you do that periodically so you can see how long it is, because we definitely don't want it to go further than your wrist, because it'll turn into like a necklace instead of a bracelet. So let's just continue on doing this. Okay, so now that we're done, we're going to loop over our bottom band like normal. So, and by the way, this is to finish off the bracelet. And then I'm gonna stretch it. Then we're going to bring this over to our finger. So as you can see now, there should only be 2 rubber bands on one finger. We're gonna take a C-clip, and we're just gonna clip one band and then clip the other, which can be a little tricky at times, so you have to be patient when you're trying to do this. Okay, and then you'll know when it's clipped on when you hear a clip. You will definitely hear a clip. So when that's clipped on, you're going to take your cap band, which will be the first band that you've did, and then you're just going to seal it off by doing this, by clipping this one in, which can be a pain too. And it's sort of a trial and error sometimes, but yes. So as you can see, the bracelet is now set, and we can put it on, and it fits my wrist perfectly. You really want to try and get, you know, the C-clip area on your wrist so all people see is this. And there you have it, a fishtail.